This is a typical day at the High Court of Kerala. The High Court of Kerala is, however, anything but typical. This is India's first digital 100% paperless court committed to one single mission, making justice accessible to each and everyone. The digital transformation is stark at the High Court of Kerala. From this case display system, which is a single point reference for case allocations for all courts, to the all-in-one touch machine, the High Court of Kerala is pioneering the e-Courts Mission project, an ambitious initiative undertaken by the Supreme Court of India to modernize and digitize the country's judicial system.
The vision of Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, is to seamlessly integrate technology with the justice delivery system so as to make the entire system cost-effective, accountable, transparent and accessible. That is the vision that is guiding us.
Justice delayed is justice denied, goes the legal maxim. However, with an overall national backlog of 3 crore cases and a judge-to-people ratio of approximately 10 judges per million, the judicial system is clogged. It was in 2018 the Kerala High Court under the e-Courts Mission project started their foray into digitization. And their first point of action? Speed up the bail application process.
In bail application, advocate has to file an application in physical mode, and then the case will be after numbering the case, it will be go for the remarks of the public prosecutor. The public prosecutor cannot give his report without getting the police diary, case diary or report from the investigating officer. So physically a person has to come from the concerned police station and give instructions to the public prosecutor, and it will take at least 1 week or more. But after the introduction of this interoperable system, on the same day, the instructions can be obtained by the public prosecutor through the interoperable system integrated with the police consent, and that on the next day, if the case is heard and disposed of, immediately the order will be transmitted to the judicial magistrate of the jurisdiction and to the sub-jail. So by this way, the delay has cut down to minimal to 1 or 2 days.
This is just the tip of the iceberg of what the High Court of Kerala has achieved. The Kerala High Court has started digitizing the entire court records starting from 1949, a mighty task in itself. Another feather in their cap? The establishment of a state-of-the-art e-filing dashboard that could serve as a model for every court in the country.
Separate dashboards are provided to all the stakeholders, that is the judges, the officers of the registry, the lawyers, government pleader, litigant, etc. This e-justice platform is a shining example of how technology can be used to transform the entire legal system and provide greater access to justice.
Additionally, Kerala High Court has made virtual hearings a part of the norm. This permits advocates and litigants to attend remotely, thereby reducing unwanted case adjournments and improving case disposal rates. The e-filing dashboard deserves special mention, and so does the remarkable IT team behind it. The specially handpicked team of IT professionals are the brains who realize the vision of 100% paperless courts. The true revolutionization of judicial system is the real-time status update of cases that's now available to all stakeholders. Before the installation of the e-filing system, an average court case required 60 pages to file. Since then, the High Court of Kerala has received a total of 82,142 cases, which adds up to approximately 49.28 lakh pages. Considering that it takes 1 tree to make 8,333 pages, the adoption of a paperless court has resulted in saving an average of 591 trees. Now imagine if all courts across the country adopted the paperless court system. Digitization of the court system helps reduce the need for expanding the infrastructure required for storage. With space and resources increasingly becoming an issue, the paperless model is indeed the solution for the future. And finally, paper-free courts help manage human resources more sustainably by scaling down the need for manpower. They can now be upskilled and efficiently utilized where their skill sets can be of value.
Before, the registry was limited hours. That is, we need to wait till 10 o'clock for the registry to get open. Then till 1 o'clock we have the filing time of the urgent matters. Then for the applications till 3 o'clock. After that, nothing could be done. Now it's 24 hours. The registry is with us. It's at our home. It's at wherever we are. As a lawyer, I have found many situations where I forget my briefs. Now, after introducing this digitalization, to tell you frankly, my mobile is my office because I have all my case files that have been filed before the Honorable High Court available in my mobile. Even there are situations I argued the case with this case file in my mobile. Last, I feel that as a woman lawyer, many pregnant women who are lawyers find it very easy. They can be at home, they can draft their case, file the case, even if they feel that they are feeling some discomfort, take a break. Then you can have the matter presented through video conferencing.
The conversion to a fully digitized court came with its set of challenges. One of the biggest is the digital divide in our society. Not everyone has access to technology and many are wary of it. The resistance to change is human, and the High Court of Kerala beautifully tackled the roadblock by organizing training programs for the High Court staff to slowly integrate them into the paperless system. But surely, everyone is coming on board and embracing the future of the judicial system in the country. Meet Prabhakaran, a 69-year-old High Court peon who initially was vehemently opposed to the idea of digitized courts and e-filing, and today is an absolute master at it.
ഒരു ഫയൽ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ ഫയലിംഗ് സെക്ഷനിൽ ഒരു ഫയൽ ചെയ്താൽ ഒരു 4, 5, 6 തവണ കയറി ഇറങ്ങേണ്ടി വരും. കാരണം പല ഡിഫക്റ്റും ഒരു തവണ ഡിഫക്റ്റ് നോട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ അത് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പം രണ്ടാമതും കയറി ചെയ്യുമ്പം വീണ്ടും ഡിഫക്റ്റ് വരും. അങ്ങനെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു ദിവസം ഒരു ഫയൽ ചെയ്താൽ ബാക്കി എല്ലാ വർക്കും ബ്ലോക്ക് ചെയ്യും. ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രോസസ് ചെയ്യണം, നോട്ടീസ് ചെയ്യണം, അതുപോലെ ഈ ഹാൻഡ് ഓവർ എടുക്കണം. അങ്ങനെ പല ഇതുണ്ട്. ഈ ഫയലിംഗ് വന്നതിന് ശേഷം നമുക്ക് ഈ കയറി ഇറങ്ങുക അത് തീരെ ഇല്ലാണ്ടായി. കാരണം ഓഫീസിൽ വന്ന് നമുക്ക് മൊബൈലും മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് എൻട്രി മോട്ട് എടുക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ദിവസം ഇത് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് വന്നു, എവിടെയുള്ളത്, ചേംബറിലാണോ, ഇപ്പോൾ അതിനെ പറ്റി ഒരു പ്രശ്നമേ ഇല്ല.
There were other minor kinks that the High Court had to overcome in the form of budget issues, lack of manpower to establish the digital infrastructure, etc. It is safe to say at this point, the Kerala High Court managed to overcome the challenges and has modelled itself into what other judicial systems in the country can work towards. What does the future for the High Court of Kerala look like?
Now the world of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence and all. So we should use maximum of their services. So implementing artificial intelligence and machine learning, we can convert a lot of services into a machine delivery system. We already implemented in the certified copy and courseless system. So similarly, we are planning to implement in file scrutiny section, and the remaining lot of services parts are there.
The High Court of Kerala is showing what the future of the justice delivery system can look like across the country. Accessible, cost-effective, predictable, reliable, affordable and transparent. And how are they doing it? By serving justice at everyone's fingertips.